WZUU. Of course, that's Chicago. And beginnings, 9:53 with Paxton Bird.
Good evening. Do not try to adjust your radio. There is nothing wrong. Nothing wrong.
Coming to you directly from San Francisco with 5,000 kilowatts of rock and roll anarchy. Dig while they do it to you in your eardrums. They not only move, but they remove. These are
The Tubes. The Tubes are now pumping themselves up for their concert May 14th at the Oriental, and 1812 has pumped up their record racks with hundreds of sale-price Tubes albums. $388 will get you the Tubes' first album, or Young and Rich, their latest on A&M.
Move closer to me. I've had all that I can stand.
See the Tubes live with a cast of 30 at the Oriental, or pick them up on sale from all 4 1812 overtures.
just tell them Lollipop, the long-haired sucker sent you.
Famous men often admit the strong influence that...
WZUU, 9:55, and that's it. It writes it for the Birdman. I'm going to head on out of here and leave you with Charlie McCarthy, who was in next to 10. This is Star Castle.
WZUU FM Milwaukee with 54 minutes of music this hour in Quad.